Again guys, just going to cover on this other model here how you actually pair the camera. The SKU for it is a VH-HW70125QC. It's actually touchscreen, which is pretty cool. So on here we're going to push this M button, then we're going to go across so we can just touch it, the arrows, and we're going to pair camera 1. So then when it goes into the pairing mode, you just need to give this camera power in the time that it's still on pairing mode. So if I'll miss it now, I'll do it again, but hopefully I might get there in time. And so you can see that's all paired successfully there. Which one of you can view in a big view? Obviously if that wasn't pointing so close it would look a bit better. So there it is in there. You can see this is the laser model, so the laser is in the middle there. So that is how you pair the camera on the screen.